Hi, I'm Jesse Thornburg, the CEO of KOPO. After finishing a mechanical engineering degree at MIT, I spent 2 years leading water projects in East Africa. On a daily basis, I saw the diarrheal diseases that kill 2 million people every year, and I suffered from some of these diseases myself while in Africa. Today, 1 in 7 people have no access to clean drinking water, and most of these people are not in emergency situations or refugee camps. They're in villages, gathering their own water day after day. The KOPO can is our solution for low-cost, culturally appropriate water purification. Just fill it with dirty water and set it in the sun for 6 hours. The heat and UV will disinfect the water to the microbiological standards of the World Health Organization. An indicator will show when the water's ready. We've also developed a roller that allows multiple KOPO cans to be pushed along the ground, greatly reducing the strain required for water transport.
The global market we are entering is the $5 billion per year spent on water, sanitation, and hygiene, also called WASH, for the developing world. The customers in this market are NGOs, including World Vision and Water.org, as well as aid and relief agencies like UNICEF and the Red Cross. Over 20 such organizations doing international WASH projects are based in the U.S. alone. Additionally, over 19 foundations and 35 national governments fund this work in their annual budgets. Specifically, we are aiming at the subset of the WASH market focused on non-emergency initiatives. UNICEF notes that non-emergency expenditures in WASH have grown more constantly and predictably than emergency expenditures since 1990. We target the non-emergency funds that are committed to supplying water to rural and small-town families, as well as funds for maternal, newborn, and child health. These subsectors constitute a global market of over $250 million per year. A secondary market we are targeting is the U.S. camping and RV industry. Consumers spend $1.5 billion on camping equipment in the U.S. each year, and we would target the $147 million spent on camping hydration. We will sell to international NGO customers for $6 per can, while our costs are $4 per can. Similarly, we will sell each roller for $10, while our costs are $5 per roller. Our initial partners have agreed to these prices since our products have a lifetime of over a year and are lower in cost than other purification options. We are also exploring the RV and camping markets in the U.S., where we will charge $15 per can and $30 per roller. With these two markets combined, we expect a profit margin of 60%. Competing water purification companies targeted at developing markets typically use disinfectant tablets, slow sand filters, and microfilters, for example, the $30 Life Straw bottle. Competing water transport devices provide no purification, for example, the $125 Hippo roller. None of these competing solutions fit current cultural practices in sub-Saharan Africa and Southern Asia, and they cost far more than our products, the KOPO can and KOPO roller. Our products are also easier to use and have fewer barriers to adoption because the KOPO can is similar in size and shape to the jugs and jars that target communities already use. The KOPO can and roller also preserves the custom of collecting water communally. Purification with the KOPO can doesn't require users to switch their traditional practices and drink from a bag or a straw. Our competitive advantage is culturally appropriate, cost-effective, sustainable design, as well as low-cost, locally manufacturable products.
To ensure KOPO's success, I've handpicked a team that's worked in the majority world and is passionate about serving communities in need. We already have 1 sales agreement signed for our pilot programs this summer in Honduras and Uganda. We also got overwhelmingly positive responses from a customer discovery trip to Rwanda and Kenya.
We had a strong start in 2015, being accepted into the Thrill Mill Incubator and Carnegie Mellon's Project Olympus. Together, these two groups have committed $10,000. In November, we received our first letter of intent from Equip International, an NGO working in 15 countries that deploys water purification products overseas. Equip agreed to purchase 100 cans and 20 rollers, so we will manufacture this first run of products here in Pittsburgh from February to May. We will deliver the products at the beginning of the summer and supervise pilot testing of these products in Uganda and Honduras. At the end of 2016, we plan to begin scale manufacturing with a custom mold and blow molding machines.
We're excited about increasing water access with these products, and we hope you'll partner with us in moving forward. Thanks for considering KOPO.